Hey guys, hi 92.7 Big FM से मैं हूँ आपके साथ आपकी होस्ट आरजे निश एंड व्हाट अ कोइंसिडेंस ऑन द सेम डेट। मतलब क्यों 2017 में जब मैंने बिग के साथ जर्नी शुरू की थी तब मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरी जर्नी की शुरुआत करने के लिए स्वप्निल जोशी सर आने वाले हैं बिकॉज ही स्टार्टेड ऑफ अ मैराथन विद मी फॉर 92.7 आवर्स। इन्होंने सबसे पहली लिंक मेरे साथ ऑन एयर की थी और आज वापस सेम तारीख पर आई हैव हिम बिसाइड्स मी। Not flagging of the car one, but now going to be talking about how has been all these years. So Swapnil sir, कैसा लगा है वापस back to the pavilion?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बहुत यादें ताजा हो गई. I think we also launched the station with that marathon. No?
Yes.
Big got launched in Nagpur with that marathon.
Correct.
So yeah, I think I'd come for the launch event and we flagged off the launch with that marathon for 92.7 hours.
Absolutely.
I know, it's been incredible, yeah.
And imagine him, I am meeting him and he still looks the same. How have you managed to do so?
I don't know. God is kind.
Really?
God is kind.
You want to be giving all the credit to him?
Yeah, I think everybody works very hard to look good.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes you just need divine intervention.
So you actually don't put much of an effort on it?
I do. But I have, with time and age, I've realized that only effort is not enough. You need the X factor for the effort to translate into reality.
My. So you have been that childhood crush of many girls, perhaps of my age, because we have been those people watching you as Krishna, then watching you live with me right now here. It's such a huge difference, you know, because you're from that godly character, now you're the Greek god in front of me. How does it make you feel then now?
Feels very humbled, yeah. Feels very loved and humbled, and I feels sometimes I blush, sometimes I shy away, but most times I take it with all humility.
So when you talk about this season that's about the summers, how have your summers actually been like? ननियाल का घर जाने का शौक आपका भी था?
100%. My summers have been very, very good. Every summer used to be a vacation and used to look forward to it. Unfortunately, मेरा ननिहाल मेरे सामने की बिल्डिंग में था जहाँ मैं पला पड़ा. Unfortunately, क्योंकि वो जो ननिहाल जाने वाला था तो मैं रोज ननिहाल जाता था. So the good part is I could be at Nanihal every day 365 days a year.
Correct.
The sad part is कि वो छुट्टियों में जाने का मौका नहीं मिलता था. But I think summers have been always good. I love summers. I'm not a winter person.
Really?
I'm a summer person. ठंड बर्दाश्त नहीं होती मुझसे.
नागपुर की गर्मी बर्दाश्त
नहीं,
होती है?
नागपुर की गर्मी तो किसी से बर्दाश्त नहीं होती. But given a choice between summers and winter, I prefer the heat to the cold. I can't take the cold. So I love summers. I think longer days, more time to work, more time to chill.
So perhaps I'll take it because you're a very warm person. That's how.
I like it. I'm going to use that.
Absolutely.
I'm going to use that.
But Swapnil sir, like, you know, when you talk about the era where you started off with the television industry and now when you look at yourself as being one of the producers of the plays, in the serials and the movies also together, how does it make you feel now? Like, how has the transition been into your life?
I think it's very, very fruitful. I think it's very enriching because आप कोई एक चीज शुरू करते हो, आप कोई किसी चीज की शुरुआत करते हो, and then you kind of venture into different verticals of the same thing, and you kind of, you know, you want to coexist with the core activity which is acting, and then you're also dabbling in other fields which is directly related to your core activity. So it's very humbling, it's very enriching. You understand more and more nuances of the entirety of the project. When you act, you only act.
Correct.
When you direct, you only direct. When you produce, you do everything. You kind of having a bird's eye view and yet looking into the fine nitty-gritties of every single department and facing problems and dealing and solutions and all. So I think your involvement becomes 10x, 20x, 100x vis-a-vis just only being an actor. So I think it's extremely enriching and it's a lot of fun.
So, Swapnil sir, how does it make you feel now that you've been a producer of the movie release हो चुकी है, and you being one of the finest producers had a chance to look over कि ये मूवी कैसी दिखनी चाहिए, and you had the vision कि ये कैसी बननी चाहिए, तो वो सफर कैसा रहा इस मूवी को हम तक लाने का? Take this as a project and tell people who you are.
So the movie released on 1st of May. It's called Naaz Ka Ghuma, and it's doing very well for itself. It's running to packed houses in the second weekend. The audiences have lapped it up. It's a story of the owner of the house and the house help, or the homemaker and the house help. So I basically feel it's every woman's biopic.
Correct.
हर घर की कहानी है. घर की जो
सही नब्ज पकड़ी है आपने.
जो घर की ओनर है, जो घर की रानी है, और उसकी जो हाउस हेल्प है. तो द टॅगलाईन ऑफ द फिल्म इज की प्रत्येक यशस्वी पुरुषाच्या मागे एक बाई असते आणि प्रत्येक यशस्वी बाईच्या मागे तिची कामवाली बाई असते. सो दॅट्स द टॅगलाईन. सो आय थिंक द फिल्म डॅबल्स इनटू this entire sweet and sour relationship between the owner of the house and the house help, and how this two-woman relationship affects the entire house and the ecosystem.
Absolutely.
And it's a fun take on the banter that goes on in every house every morning between the house help and the owner.
So, did it ever happen across you that you had to face the consequences अगर आपके घर पे आपकी house help नहीं पहुंची है तो?
101%.
So what do you do?
I pretend to sleep because it's one department you should not get into. So जिस दिन बीवी का सूर ऐसा होता है कि आज आली नहीं है आणि फोन पण नाही केला है, you just pretend to sleep. I just pretend to sleep. I just don't get up. Even if I've got up, I pretend to sleep for 2 more hours.
So don't you think that now she knows that you pretend to sleep?
Yeah, I'm going to request you to edit that. But because it's a no-win department. आप बीवी की साइड लो तो आप मरोगे, आप उसकी साइड लो तो आप मरोगे. So husband, in fact we portrayed that in the film as well. पिक्चर में वो हस्बैंड की साइड भी बहुत अच्छे से निकल के आती है कि वो तो मरता ही मरता है, मतलब वो आए तो वो मरे, वो नहीं आए तो वो मरे, मतलब हस्बैंड तो मरता ही मरता है.
So you actually have the name husband, तो बैंड तो बजनी है.
हाँ, बजनी कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But a favorite tip of yours, क्योंकि हमने household works में देखा है, because all the men when they had COVID affected, they were working up into the household chores and everything. So was that a time where you enjoyed the moment at your home doing something, और वो भी सोते वक्त निकल गया?
नहीं. I think I've been very blessed. I've been raised in a house where I was only child, didn't have a brother or a sister. So बचपन से I think I've been raised like a boy and a girl at the same time. So very shabbily put कि ये लड़के का काम है, लड़की का काम है. Never in my case. बचपन से सिखाया गया है कि जो लड़के का काम है वो लड़की का भी काम है, और जो लड़की का काम है वो लड़के का भी काम है. अगर घर दोनों का है तो घर का काम दोनों का है. So बचपन से तो कोविड में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा, बिकॉज बचपन से लेके आज तक बर्तन मांजना हो, पोछा मारना हो, झाड़ू कटका हो, my mom makes me do everything. I still have to do it at home. And now it's not a necessity. करना ही नहीं पड़ता, but अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो करना पड़ेगा. तो और अगर, and that's exactly what I'm trying to teach my kids also. I have a son and a daughter, and the value that I'm trying to imbibe in them is कि अगर 2 लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, अगर राघव और मायरा खाना खा रहे हैं, तो मायरा की डिश मायरा उठाएगी, लेकिन राघव की डिश राघव उठाएगा.
करेक्ट.
एंड दोनों की डिश अपने अपने अंदर जाएगी, दोनों अपनी अपनी डिश धोएंगे, दोनों उसको शेल्फ में रखेंगे, एंड देन दोनों बाहर आएंगे. So I think that has always been, I've been very blessed that my parents brought me up like that. So तो टिप ये नहीं है, टिप ये है कि अगर घर दोनों का है तो घर का काम दोनों को करना चाहिए.
क्या बात है, अमेजिंग. स्वप्निल सर, जब मेरी आपकी पहली बार मुलाकात हुई थी, तब हमने जब मैराथन किया था, उस वक्त भी टॉपिक था अबाउट द डाउरी एंड इक्वालिटी, और आपने उस वक्त भी एक बड़ी अच्छी लाइन यही कही थी कि व्हाई डू वी हैव टू टेल द किड्स दैट ये काम लड़के का है और लड़की का है. काम है और वो काम दोनों का है, एंड यू स्टिल आर ऑन दैट. दैट्स अमेजिंग टू नो दैट. बट व्हेन यू से अबाउट धुन बदल के, तो देखो आपकी जिंदगी की धुन पिछले कुछ दिनों में, महीनों में कैसी बदली है नाउ बीइंग अ प्रोड्यूसर.
आई थिंक धुन इसलिए बदली बिकॉज द फिल्म्स बीन रिसीव्ड वेरी वेल. And as a producer, the money and the monetary gains and the commercial gains is just one part. But as a producer, आपने कोई creation बनाया, आपने कोई चीज create की, and that creation has been loved by one and all. उसके जैसी कोई खुशी नहीं.
Correct.
So वो जो pressure था कि कैसी लगेगी, अच्छी लगेगी कि नहीं लगेगी, पसंद आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, तो वो अब धुन बदल गई है. और ऑडियंस ने मुझसे कहा है कि धुन बदल के देखो.
अरे क्या बात है.
पिक्चर हिट है एंड फील्स गुड.
It feels good. A small rapid fire with you, Swapnil sir. What is your favorite thing? Home cooked food या street food?
Home cooked food.
So you're beaches or a mountain person?
I'm a mountain person.
3 things you love doing which start with the letter M.
M. I love making chai. That is one thing. I love money. I love money. I'm unapologetic about it. And I love Myra, my daughter.
Ah, right. 3 things you love doing which start with the letter S, rather than sleeping.
I love doing that start with the letter
S.
I love sleeping. I genuinely like to sleep because I'm underslept for the last 10 years.
Oh God.
So I mean, I love to sleep. It's my favorite thing to do in the whole day.
Okay.
तो मतलब तुम्हारी हॉबी क्या है?
सोना.
I can sleep for hours and hours.
Making सोना और सोना.
नहीं, making सोना नहीं, सोना. I love to sleep. Genuinely, I love my sleep. I love my 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. If I don't get that, I feel very, very deprived. So sleep is very, very essential to my well-being.
Absolutely.
Then three things from S that I
You like doing.
Like
Enjoy
doing.
doing.
I like. इससे और क्या है यार? Tricky है थोड़ा. Interesting question. इससे सोना तो हो गया, sleeping हो गया.
सोना हो गया.
Hint दो.
गाना गुनगुनाते हो?
Singing. नहीं यार, बहुत मैं मुझे गाना सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे गाना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन मेरा गाना सुनना किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो it's not so much my choice as it is the other people's.
But you can always hum it to yourself.
I do. But मैं बाथरूम सिंगिंग करते वक्त भी डरता हूँ. बाहर से कोई नॉक करके बोलता है चुप कर यार. तो singing is not. I love to, but I'm not good at it. So I avoid doing that. But yeah, I love to sing. Singing and sleeping and.
Shopping?
No, not really.
Right?
I'm not a shopping person. No, not really. It doesn't excite me. It doesn't make me happy.
Sweets?
No, nothing. Or I like tikha again. Like you said, na.
Spicy.
हाँ, मतलब.
S से spicy.
Spicy. Yeah, spicy food. Yeah, spicy food.
Spicy something like. Okay. If you had been given a door.
A doll.
A door.
A door. Okay.
A door which could open to any place in the world, any era of the times. Where would you love to go?
I'd love to go back to the era of Rafi Saab and the Big FM era. Love to go back to the era of Rafi Saab and Kishore Kumar Saab and R.D. Burman Saab and S.D. Burman Saab and Khayyam Saab and O.P. Nayyar Saab. All these maestros and I think what they've created, not because I'm giving an interview to a Big FM, but I think what value they've added to our lives.
Correct.
Especially our generation. The youngsters would probably not understand what I'm saying.
Absolutely.
But the value that they've added to our lives, the way they've enriched our lives, I wish I were a part of that. And I mean, I could see how the music of all these legendary films was made and how they used to sing live and how the recordings used to be live and
Correct.
Lata ji and Asha ji and all these Manna De Sahab and all these people. I think I'd love to go back to that time. I think what a wonderful time that was.
Amazing scene in the master. So, given a choice that you could name one thing which is very historic onto your own self, कि ये चीज मेरी हो सकती थी और ये मेरे नाम पे बनी है, what would that really be? कोई भी ऐतिहासिक चीज जो आपको लगता है कि यार this thing is something which is created by someone, but if I could own it, I would have put my name on it.
I genuinely feel कि क्विल्ट मेरे लिए बनी है. I can't sleep without my quilts. तो मुझे genuinely लगता है कि quilts were invented for me.
Because
मतलब
Swapnil
कि
Joshi
हाँ,
had to
Swapnil
sleep.
Joshi had to sleep.
So all the quilt company, if you guys are hearing them, please have an endorsement by
Please.
him. You know, he's so happily going to be there
I
for you.
love
Mattress,
quilts.
pillow, quilt, bed sheets. Look out.
You
to
not
it.
believe when I travel for long for longer durations, I
You
take
carry
my
your quilt?
quilts and pillows with me. It's like it's very
I thought you would say my Myra does that. So it's not Myra. Myra's dad also takes up the quilt and the
Myra's
thing.
dad takes up the. I think Myra's taken it from the dad.
Girls actually do that, but now I got to know it from where does it come to do it. So okay, one last thing. What is the beauty of Nagpur which brings you back again to our city?
A lot of things. Oranges, for sure. But I think the warmth of the people, the culture, politically extremely active, almost great development happening all over.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you see the metro and the flyovers and the airport and great development happening all over the place. Honestly, don't get to come to Nagpur that often, but love the vibe of the city. I think this is the, and very, very strangely, if I may put it right, it's still got a nice blend of old world charm and new age city.
Absolutely.
So I think it's got a right mix of both the cultures, and that's not a lot of cities can talk about today.
Correct.
You either are new age cities or you are still old world cities. I think Nagpur is one of the few places which has kind of retained the best of both and moving forward, carrying both the traditions hand in hand.
That's true. Absolutely. So, as Swapnil said, sir, यार कि हम एक ऐसे शहर में रहते हैं जहाँ पे आपको सुकून भी उतना ही मिलता है हर शाम को क्योंकि you have a place to rest and the city is not running. और वहीं दूसरी तरफ हम ये भी देखते हैं कि वो डेवलपमेंट इज हैपनिंग. सो विद दैट थिंग्स आई वुड एक्चुअली से अ बाय टू स्वप्निल सर एंड वांटिंग हिम टू बी बैक अगेन विद अस इन द सिटी अगेन, बिकॉज अगर हमें वो वार्मथ है कि हमें भी यहाँ अपना सकते हैं, बुला सकते हैं, he is also that warmly person कि ये बार-बार आ सकते हैं.
100%.
है ना? So as we say कि बस रखना अपना ख्याल, अपनों का ख्याल, अपने शहर का ख्याल. And as we say, sayonara, धुन बदल के तो देखो. Thank you so much, Swapnil sir, for being with us.
Thank you very much, and please watch Naat Zga Ghuma, a Marathi film running in theaters near you. Go watch it with your family, go watch it with your house help, and go watch it with all the lovely lady friends that you have. A lot of ladies are actually going in groups and watching the film.
Because it's a female
Yeah, it's a
story
female
about
story.
us.
So,
And we know what the pain is if the
yeah.
maid says that I'm not coming today morning.
so please जाइए और पिक्चर देखिए and उसका लुत्फ उठाइए, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
Absolutely. So you don't have to wait for me to tell this to go. जाओ और देखो. तब तक धुन बदल के तो देखो.